Hello children, my name is Abhimanyu Singh. I am a maths teacher. I have been doing so teaching mathematics from last 10 or more than 10 years. So today children we will study or I will make you introduce the topic polynomials, which is the second chapter in the syllabus of class 9. And after studying what polynomial is, we will shortly see why polynomial is needed across mathematics or in our day-to-day routine. What need it has in our daily lives, right? So, see children, what polynomial is? A polynomial is an algebraic expression. Is an algebraic expression with two or more than two terms. With two or more than two terms. So I hope you all know what an algebra is. Even if you do not know what algebra is, do not worry about that. Everything we will be taking care of. Algebra is a branch of mathematics. You can call algebra as the soul of mathematics. Algebra and mathematics, they are inseparable. In mathematics, in every other field, in every other branch, you will find algebra. Such an important branch it is, right? So in algebra, we dealt with unknowns. From class 6, you have been studying algebra. So we dealt with unknowns like x, y, and z, their relationship with each other, their operations. We used to subtract, we used to add, right? So in fact, if you study this word carefully, children, poly means more than one. Poly means many. Nomial means terms. So the name itself describes, the name itself suffice what do we mean by it, or what the author or what this topic has to say about itself. An algebraic expression of several terms is a polynomial. Now there must be thing going in your mind like, what if I write only x? It has only a single term x. Then wouldn't it be a polynomial? It will be, but properly, appropriately, it will be called a monomial. Mono means one. Like you have heard in Mumbai, monorails are there, children. They are not only one track, right? So mono means one. So this is a monomial, not a polynomial. For a polynomial, we should have two or more than two terms, right? Okay, children. After studying this, we have to take up where this particular branch of mathematics is used. Let us talk about some examples where, example number 1, where A is twice, let us say that A is twice as old as B. So what will you do to make an expression for it? You will write B's age as x and A's age as 2x. So what x and 2x are? Algebraic expressions, right? What is 2x? Monomial. Now if I put one more line after 5 years, for example, after 5 years, what would be their ages? So A's age would be 2x plus 5 and B's age would be x plus 5. Now what is 2x plus 5 and x plus 5, children? They both are binomials. They both are polynomials because they have two or more than two terms, right? Properly they will be called as a polynomial. 2x and 5, there are two terms. And there is a special feature associated with polynomials. Every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Why? Because algebraic expressions with the highest exponent is the power of this variable. Here you can see 1. Exponent, the power of this variable is 1. So this exponent must be a whole number, right? Exponent exponent must be a whole number. So there may be algebraic expressions like 5 upon x squared plus y. Now this upon x squared, if you take this x squared towards the top, it will have a negative sign by the laws of exponent. And you can see this minus 2 is not a whole number, hence this expression is not a polynomial. It is just an algebraic expression. So every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial, right? So let us see one more example, children, where polynomials or its applications are studied. Let us talk about an area of maths we have to study from class 5th, geometry. Calculating the measurement of Earth was geometry. Geo means Earth, metry means measuring or measurement. So, under geometry, children, if I ask you to find the volume of a cylinder whose radii or whose radius is equal to its height, what will you do? What is given to you? You will form an expression in variables, right? You will say, sir, volume given to me is, for example, it is 1000 centimeter cube or units, cubic centimeters. Now the expression for volume is, right? Further, you can take pi over there, r square, h is again r, h भी r है, तो r cube हो जाएगा, 1000 upon pi हो जाएगा. So what is r cube on the left hand side? Monomial. And what is the power? 3. Here, this is a cubic monomial because the power is 3. If the power is 2, for example, x square plus y or x square plus x, because in our syllabus we are confined to study polynomials in only one variable. So if the power is 2, it will be a quadratic polynomial. Now there is a reason why it is known as quadratic. Quad means 4, but in Greek language, quad means a power and an expression raised to the exponent 2. That is the meaning of square or quad over there. From there, the name has been derived as for this polynomial as quadratic polynomial, right? So now these are some areas where polynomials are extensively used. Maybe profit and loss, maybe for calculating discount, for simple interest, for compound interest. So you will find polynomials everywhere, right? So this was a short introduction, children, about polynomials. Later on, when I will get in touch with you, we will get to see more about it. Thank you.